Fifth grade singing method, page 16, part 1. So today we're going to classify sentences in exercise 1, and we learned a new pattern last time, right? Okay. So the blue umbrella in the hall closet has a large hole. Okay. So what has a large hole? Umbrella. Subject, noun. What is being said about the umbrella? Has, right? Verb has what? Hole. Is hole the same thing as umbrella? No. So it is the direct object. Has becomes the verb transitive. Okay. What kind of hole? Large. A. Article adjective. Okay. In what? What kind of closet? Adjective. The. What kind of umbrella? The. Pattern. No. Listen. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct object, pattern to check. So prepositional phrases in the hall closet. Is there any more? No. Period. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. In between closet and has, because closet is also a noun, right? Okay. Is there an adverb exception? No, because we don't have one. Is it natural or inverted order? Natural. Okay. Diane broke her father's expensive fishing pole. So, who broke her father's expensive fishing pole? Diane. Subject, noun. What is being said about Diane? Verb. Broke what? The pole, right? Is pole the same thing as Diane? No. So it's the direct object. Broke becomes the verb. Transitive. Okay. What kind of pole? Fishing. Adjective. What kind of pole?
Expensive. Adjective.
Whose pole? Father. P-N-A, because possessive noun adjective. And whose father? Her. And this one is possessive pronoun adjective. Okay, so pattern, subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct object, pattern to check. Okay. We don't have any prepositional phrases, right? Period. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Between Diane and broke, is there an adverb exception? No, because we don't have one, and it's a sense in natural or inverted order. Natural. Okay. Number 3. We took a brisk walk in the cool of the early morning. So, who took a brisk walk in the cool of the early morning? We. Subject, pronoun. Okay. What is being said about we? Took. Verb. Took what? Walk. Is walk the same thing as we? No. So it's the direct object. Took becomes the verb transitive. Okay, what kind of walk? A. In what? Not morning. Cool. Object of the preposition, the of preposition. Of what? What kind of morning? The pattern Subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct, object, pattern, to, check. Okay. In the cool of early morning, period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, there isn't one. Is this in natural or inverted order? Natural. The children made a mess of the classroom during their free time. So, who made a mess of the classroom during their free time? No, subject noun. Okay, so what is being said about the children? Made. Verb. Made what? Mess. Is mess the same thing as children? No, so it's the direct object, and made is the verb transitive. Okay. A. The. Of. Of what? The. During. During what? What kind of time? Whose time? Possessive pronoun adjective. Because it does not have an apostrophe S. So our pattern is direct object pattern to check of the classroom during their free time. Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, because we don't have one. Is this in natural or inverted order? Natural. Okay, now you guys are going to do exercise 2, and you're going to use these words to put them in the correct order using the classification. Do not forget, the first word has to be what? Capitalized, and then you have to have some kind of punctuation at the end, okay, to get your full credit for it.